This story started more than 5 years ago. We'd only just met, but I knew this overwhelming attraction was unlike anything I'd ever felt before. Over the next few months, we fell in love hard and fast, and would spend countless dinners and road trips dreaming of the places we'd travel, the memories we'd make, and the family we'd one day raise together. So here we are, on the verge of making this incredible love story official, taking a step towards one of many milestones to come. And I could not be more excited and honored. In the 3 months we spent apart this year, I learned what I knew all along, that I love you more than anything in this world, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you by my side.
Bryan, I'm so excited to be your wife. You are just the best person I know. I love you so much. Can't believe how lucky I am to get to be around you for every moment of my life. There are many mysteries in the cosmos, but why we're drawn to each other is not one of them. Being with you is easy as breathing. It's such a dream come true.
Look at one another and remember this moment in time. Before this moment, you have been many things to one another. Now you're stepping across a threshold in life, and things between you will never quite be the same. For after today, you will say to the world, "This is my husband, and this is my wife." Today, you choose a life of marriage and a journey to last a lifetime.